Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can input or remove batteries in your Akaso Brave 4 Pro. So first of all, you have to rotate your device like that and find this plastic cover. You have to use your fingernail, for example, to open it. Do it gently, put back the plastic cover, and right now use this plastic part and gently pull out your battery. As you can see, it looks like that. When you input the new battery, you have to put this pins like that in this position to let it stick with this one. So basically we have to put it in this position, and then you can press on it a little bit. And right now we have to put back this plastic cover, and we have to start from this part. So put it like that, and then just press on it. And as you can see, that's how you can open this plastic cover, and that's how you can exchange your batteries on the Brave 4 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.